All right. Center punch, hammer. Gonna punch holes around here. Not all the way through holes, just enough to put a dent on the outside to follow along. So I'm gonna cut this from the outside, and we'll mark lines over the bridges here for each of these. That's it. I put a couple more in the corners just to make sure I understood the path that needs to be cut so there's more dots per inch to follow when I'm on the outside. Let's see what it looks like from the outside. So on the outside, you can see the dent pattern. Just mark that up, and should be good to go. I'm gonna draw lines and then bridge right across here where those support pieces came down. So you can see where to cut here, same with the top, but pretty easy. All right, taped off a window around the outside edge, so the foot of the jigsaw doesn't scratch the paint in the area that I'm actually going to want to keep. I know it's going to get covered up by the window itself. Don't really care about the inside here, but got my black line for cutting up here towards the top. This is actually going to be a little tight for how big the jigsaw foot is, so I'll have to see how the angle of the jigsaw is going to have to sit. And then also around this upper corner here, it's a little tight through here. Went twice as wide around. But pretty much ready to cut. Just gonna drill a starting hole in a couple places. And then I'll put some duct tape on here so when I cut all the way around, this part comes loose, it doesn't just fall off, but looks like I'm ready.